I've got my customer table here with the customer names, and I've got a letter that I created in a document that I want to go ahead and mail off to all these customers. Let me show you. Go ahead and click on the exercise button so I can bring that folder up in front of my database. There it is, Clients Merge Letter Document. Double click, open it up, and it basically says, hey, thanks for purchasing our videos. We really appreciate it if you send us your reviews. So here where it says Dear, instead of typing in each customer's name one at a time, all I have to do is create this letter once, and I did, and I can do what's called a mail merge. In other words, I can merge all the names that are in my database, the client names, into this one letter. And for each name, it'll duplicate this letter, but of course, a different client for each letter. So the first letter would be Dear StarTemps, the second one would be Dear Macron, and we can keep going and going and going in a single merge without having to type it all here over and over again. Just create the letter once, and then when we're ready to go, let me go ahead and close out of here. I'm going to close out of the folder here. All I need to do, let me close out of the table, is to select the table that I want to export and merge into that Word document. Well, the data in that table into that Word document. Select it, come up here, click on the External Data tab, go to the Export group, click on the Word Merge, and it says, what do you want the wizard to do? Do you want to link your data to an existing Word document, or do you want to create a new document from scratch? I already created my letter, so I just need to go ahead and click OK. And it says, okay, where's that letter? Well, it's in my Exercises folder. Double click, and there it is. Double click to select it. It opens it up. Well, it's down on the taskbar flashing. Click on it, so it pulls it up in front here. Let me go ahead and maximize it. And what it does is it brings up my letter, and then over on the right-hand side, it starts the Mail Merge wizard. Well, it's already on step 3 of 6. The reason why it's so far along is because we've already done the first part, created the letter, and also selected the database that we wanted to base this letter upon. In other words, the fields that we want to merge into here, which is the customer name. We'll go over it in just a second. You can see it says customer table from the high duplicate access database. So we can go ahead and click next to write the letter. And there's a couple ways you can do it. I'm going to show you the simple way, but if you want to learn more, you want to watch my Word 2010 training videos on mail merge. In any case, I'm going to come up here on the Mailings tab to the right and Insert Fields group. Click on Insert Merge Field, and you can see a list of all the fields that was in that customer table, the least of which customer name. So before I insert the customer name, I better know where I'm going to insert it. Well, it's going to be before the comma, but after the word Dear. So I'll go ahead and position my cursor just right, and then click on Insert Merge, select customer name. There's the merge field. Well, do you want to see what it looks like when a name is actually merged in there to make sure I got the spacing right? Then come over here and click Next to preview it, and it shows you the preview, Dear StarTemps. Okay, let's click Next. Dear Home Builders. Let's go to the next recipient or customer name, Dear Happy Town Playworld. So it looks like it's coming together just fine. Let's go ahead and click Next to complete the merge. And then we're in step 6 of 6. And what I want to do here is I want to edit the individual letters. Click on that and select all. It opens it up, and it has a letter for each client. Here's page 1, StarTemps. Scroll down to page 2, the next letter, Dear Home Builders. And then scroll down to page 3, Dear Happy Town Playworld. All I have to do is go ahead and click File, go to Print, and all these print off, and I didn't have to come in and copy each letter and type in every client's name. You can imagine if you had 100 or 1,000 of them, that would just take too long. Just extract it from your database, merge the customer's name and any other field that you can think of into your letter here, and it will duplicate them for you. And then what's nice about this too is that I can customize one letter, like maybe Dear Happy Town Playworld, put in after my name here, P.S. You guys are really awesome, and customize just that letter. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel to get notified of the latest videos. And for great specials on my products, please see the description below this video.